So today we're going to do a little experiment with a substance called water. So the first one we're going to look at is called Red Bull No Wings, the tap water. Red Bull No Wings. Then we're going to have a look at the Bill Bangs Melinda the Man, the bottled water, because we all know Melinda's a man. And then we're going to look at the Cocktails and Dreams Zero water. So all glasses are empty. There's nothing in any of the glasses. So we have a TDS tester, total dissolved solids, so it tests the amount of solids that's actually hidden in the water, like back in the school days when you do the sugar and the salt and dissolving it in. That's exactly what this tests for. And then this one is the pH tester, it tests whether it's acid or alkali. And then we also have an electrolyzer, which are basically add an electrical current to the water, and this is what your body does, because we're all energy. You are an electrical current. This is why they use a defibrillator to shock you when you have a heart attack. So this is what your body does when these substances go into your body, so you'll be able to see the effect that it has on your body. What I want you to do is imagine each of these cups as your body. So these are your vessel, your body for life. So this could be your heart, your brain, your kidney, your liver, your leg, your arm. Could be this is your whole body, and whatever this substance is and is going in there is going into your body. So the first one we're going to look at is the tap water. So we're going to pour this in the first glass. So the first thing we're going to check is the total dissolved solids in the water, which is at a 133. You can see that on the camera. It's on a 133. Just going to wipe it off. Now in the second glass we're going to have some of the Buxton's finest. It's Buxton still water, natural mineral water from my local shop, and it's only been opened because I tried this experiment just now and my camera, my SD card didn't have enough storage on it, so the camera turned off. So that's why there's a little tiny bit of water out this bottle, but you're more than welcome to come and borrow my stuff and do this experiment at home yourself. So this is Buxton from the local shop. And we're going to give it a name. Like everything in this matrix, you have to give everything a name. So like we called this one Red Bull No Wings, we called this one Bill Bangs Melinda the Man. So this is the bottled water, the Buxton. Blimey. So that's at a 267. So this is the bottled water that I bought in the local shop. It's higher than the tap water. Double what the tap water is. So that's at a 267. So you're going to the shop, spending your hard money on these water in the plastic bottles that look so fancy, when actually it's double what your actual tap water was. And then on the last one we're going to do the zero water. Which should do exactly what it says on the tin, which is it brings any substance, even wine, as Philip Schofield showed in his demonstration, that even takes wine into water. So this is at a zero, so that's exactly what zero water says it does. So I first want to read out the contents of the Red Bull No Wings tap water, which is this one supplied by Welsh Water and the World Health Organization. But to be honest, they are not for health when you look into what their practices and processes are. So the logo for their actual health organisation is unbalanced feminine for a start, and the contents of this tap water here, on this end here, the Red Bull No Wings, it contains colour, odour and taste. When if it's water, why are you adding colour, odour and taste? Clearly to deceive the colour, odour and taste of the actual contents of the glass. So this is your body, this is your vessel, this is your holy grail. So within this water there is hydrogen sulfide, nitrate, sodium, nitrate, ammonium, aluminium, manganese, copper, phosphorus, fluoride, arsenic, cadmium, cyanide, chromium, mercury, nickel, lead, antimony, selenium, entacocci, turbidity. You got human shit, fecal coliforms. You got boron, benzo, tetrachloromethane, trichlorophane, and then you got a lot of other chemicals, as well as pesticides like aldrin, dieldrin, heptachlor, 2,4-D, MCPA, and a few others. But this is also known as a satanic black mass. So what they're supplying you out of your tap isn't water, and it isn't legit. It's classed as a satanic black mass. So that's what they're supplying you in your tap. So as far as this Buxton goes, Buxton's claim on the bottle to have a lot less content within their bottle. If you can see up here up close, I'll read it out for you. It's got calcium, magnesium, potassium, sodium, bicarbonate, chloride, sulfate, nitrate, and it says pH at source, it says 7.4. So that's what this actually says on the Buxtons. So we're going to check them now for the pHs. So the first one we're going to check is the Red Bull No Wings, which is the tap water. And the Red Bull No Wings is not associated with any brand. It's just a name that's sometimes used for the devil. So it's called Red Bull No Wings. There's a nice Red Bull outside the New York Stock Exchange as well. So there's 7.29. 7.29 would you do? We'll say 7.29. So now we're going to do the bottled water. I'm just wiping off the tester. So the bottled water is currently on a 7.1, 7.0, 7.08. And then we're going to check the zero water's pH level. So the zero water is on at 8.32, which is slightly alkali, but it's better than having acidic water, so it's 8.32. And now here comes the interesting part. Now this part is, like I said, it's the electrolyzer, and obviously your body is energy. It's everything vibrates, everything moves, everything is energy, and energy continues. If you smash your TV, the signal still goes from your TV even though the TV is broken, and that's exactly what happens with you when you die. Your soul just continues going on. It moves out, it gets pulled out of your body just before your last breathing, your last few breaths, and obviously all that information is downloaded onto your soul, and then it goes on for this to continue its journey. So these cups are your vessels. So you're getting this out your tap, you're buying this at the shop, and this can only get made through a zero filter. So you can only get this Cocktails and Dreams out of the zero filter or the distiller, and any other way that you find. But the reverse osmosis, that's what they tend to do with the bottles. They reverse osmosis the stuff in the rivers and the streams, and obviously with chemtrails and other things, fly tipping, a lot gets dumped into the streams and the rivers. So this is your Bill Bangs Melinda the Man. Everyone knows she's a man. This is the Red Bull No Wings, and this is the Cocktails and Dreams. So first we're going to put the electrolyzers in the Bill Bangs Melinda the Man and the Red Bull No Wings. So that's what we're going to do first off. So we're going to put these in here, turn it on, and let it work its magic. So right now, I don't know if you can see it on the camera, but it's starting to bubble up. They're both starting to bubble up, and they're starting to change colour. So now the tap water, see, is starting to go red orange, and the bottled water, the Bill Bangs, Melinda the Man, Buxton's, is starting to go like a green orange, and it's starting to go black. So the tap water seems to go a lot more orange, the same type of colour if you took a radiator off the wall and it started pouring out an orange thick metallic sludge. That's the same type of reaction you're getting off the tap water. The bottled water looks a lot more deceptive and foul. It's more green, black, it's tints of like a purple, a blue, like it's not orange. It's and you can see the smoke is bubbling. There's smoke coming off the substances in there burning. Obviously that doesn't happen to water. Like, you can't burn water, steam comes off it, but not, it's actually burning the substances within the glass. Now if I take it off, and I'll show you what's in each of the glasses. And while I take it off, and I'll put it in the zero water so then you can see the difference. So then you can see that there's no trick here, like I'm not playing a trick on you. So I'm going to turn it off, but now that it hasn't even been on that long. So while that's in there, so the first one, and they're quite hot because obviously it's adding you're adding electric current to the glass. So this is the first one. The bottom looks quite clear, but as you see from the top of the glass, where it's got electric current added, all the metals, they start to float to the top, and this is how you have a loss of homeostasis. You have a loss of balance in your body because the electric current has pushed all this weight, all these metals to the top. And what's at the top of your vessel? The top of your body, your brain. So as you can see, it's got all these nasty bits in it. And that's coming out of your tap. So to drink that every day, now you can start to see it settling. It's got all the mossy bits in the bottom. That is not good at all. That's coming out of your tap. So that one was the Red Bull No Wings. So this one was the bottled water. As you can see, it's all black. All these black bits. It looks like soil or moss or something in there. Looks like you've gone down the lake and just taken a bottle out of the lake. It's rancid, and they're saying that's acceptable for you to buy as water in the shop. I wish I could show you the thickness of that, because the camera angle doesn't do it justice. It doesn't do it justice whatsoever, because it's literally just thick black bits floating around in there. It's like looking into, if you walk through one of those tunnels at like Aqua Place, and you're basically a Pentwin Lake. That's basically what it looks like. So that's where you're spending your Bill Bangs, Melinda the Man, Buxton water from the shop. That's how foul and rancid it is. It's all black in there, minging. This is your tap water, lovely. This is your zero water. Still going now. Nothing, no steam, no smoke, no steam coming off the water. Lovely, lovely, fresh. Will I put in the sticks after doing the dirty waters? It does look a tiny bit discoloured, but that's obviously will I put the sticks in it. But you've got to understand that there's no orange, there's no yellow, there's no bits. There's no bits, there's nothing. It is pure water. So how they can try and sell you this in the shop as water with all this black stuff, all this gunk, and then how Welsh Water can tell you they're selling you water, and the World Health Organization, when this is basically a satanic black mass. And that's why you've got all this black stuff in it. It's a satanic black mass, and this is what's in your body, and this is what gives you a loss of homeostasis. So me personally, to get your wakey, I would advise you to buy a 0 water jug, and you can also buy shower filters, either from Genesis Helium, which are out of stock at the moment, but you can also buy them on eBay for even cheaper at $9.99. Have a great day. Thanks very much.